Good morning, students. Today, economics class. First lesson, introduction. Introduction to microeconomics. Micro and macro. Already 10th standard you studied micro and macro. What is micro? Anyone? No. Micro means small. Macro means large. Example of micro means one individual person income calculated means that is micro. Macro means our national income calculated in macroeconomics. Micro means small, macro means large. Okay. Introduction. A subject should have a name or title that facilitated a clear and correct understanding on its content in the subject like economics. There are many books available with the titles such as Introductory Economics and Economics and a Introduction, Basic Economics, Element of Economics, Elementary Economics, Fundamentals Economics, etc. But these books have the same content through each intent to serve readers of all different level of interest and capacity. A good introduction to a subject, besides of containing the meaning of its title, should have explaining the nature and scope of the subject, that is, whether the subject of traditional or modern. Traditional means olden days, modern means nowadays. Static or dynamic. Static means standard, dynamic means changes. Static and dynamic. The readers should be positioned to clearly classify the subject as belonging to either arts alone or to the science alone or to both. The significance of all the branches of the subject should find a place in it. As they go through the introductions, the readers should be able to understand the relationship of the subject with the other subject, newer areas incorporated into the subject, and the newer away for the comprehendings it is content or to the highlights in the introductions. Methodological applied in the derivations of its law are to be started in the such an introduction. Economics, listen students, economics, so many economics books is published. Each and every book published, remember, same content only, wealth of our nation. Each and every economics books is our country development, growth and development implementation only. The two word of the growth and nation. Growth and nation. What do you mean by growth? What do you mean by development? These two words same or different? The two words is different words. Development means India is a developing country. Growth means America is growth, already growth. But India is now only developing. Next one, meaning of economics. The term of the word economics comes from the ancient Greek aliconomics, the means of the household, and the and norms of the means, management, customs, or law. Thus, the term of the economic means management, household. The subject was early known as the political economics, is renamed as the economics in the last 19th century by Alfred Marshall. Next one, economics, it is a nature. Economic, it is nature. The nature of the subject refers to its content and how and why they find the place in the place of subject. The nature is understood by studying a various definition given by notable economists. The existence of multiplicity of definition make some scholars. The comments that the search of the clearly definitions of economics and exercise the futility. J.M. Keynes The J.M. Keynes is a modern economist. The J.M. Keynes is a new modern economist. The father of economics. New means modern economist. For the examples, observe that a political economics is said to have a strangled itself with definitions. That presence makes studying the subject interesting, existing the enjoyable, worthwhile in the fact. Fact means reality. There is presence in social science subject is clearly signs of growth and science. They indicate the existing freedom for the people associated with such a science. The formulated fresh definitions, these associated, appreciated, and make use of the opportunities offered to them and come up the plethora of definitions saying plethora means large amount. The more the merrier. Each definition represent generalization. A wide varieties of definitions paves the way to arrive a near completely agreement on the subject matter of economics. The nature it is economics, it is a nature means so many definitions. Each and every definition means each one person one definition is followed. The economics books are famous for definition is four economists. That four economists is Adam Smith, Wealth of Nation, representing the classical era. The Marshall is welfare of definition. That is neoclassical economist. Robinson is a scarcity of definition. Samuelson is a growth of definition. The four important persons our definitions. Each one by one I explained. First one is wealth definition. Adam Smith is a father of the economics. The classical father of the economics is Adam Smith. Adam Smith, 1723 1790, in this book of an inquiry into nature and the causes of the wealth of nation. 1776 defined the economics as the science of wealth. The Adam Smith importance of the wealth of the nation. Importance of wealth of the nation. One person wealth increasing means that person, society, a life of standard of living is all standard of living is increases. Wealth is importance. Explaining how the nation's wealth is created and increased means automatically people's standard of living is increase. Next one. The Smith is favors of introduction of divisions of labor. Favor of divisions of labor. Divisions of labor means the divisions of the laborer work is dividing. Laborer work is dividing. The divisions of labor means each work is dividing one group of the one group is one work, the other group is one work, next one group is next one work. Means easily that work is completely easily finished, and production is more production each and every day. This production is increasing. Next, the divisions of labor, the work is that person is a specialized person. Okay, divisions, that is divisions of labor to increasing the quantum of output. Divisions of labor increasing output means production, increasing production. The server of competitions is the factories and societies helps in the bettering the product. Supplying forces is very active and a commodity is made available of the consumer at the lowest price. Divisions of labor means the production increasing means commodity rate is very lowest price. Production less means automatically price is increased. The criticism. Each and every author's definition is one person is criticism. Criticism means that demerits. Criticism means demerits. The Smith of the nation consists of wealth getting activities and wealth spending activities and undue emphasis to give to the material wealth. Wealth is here treated to be the end in itself. The view leads him to ignorance human welfare as an essential part of the economics. The wealth. The Adam Smith wealth economics. The activity of wealth spending only activity emphasizes giving to material wealth. Wealth is one of only in wealth material only. Wealth is material. Criticism of main word is wealth is material wealth only. Next one. Welfare definition of Alfred Marshall. Welfare. The neoclassical economics of the Alfred Marshall is 1842 to 1924 in his book of the Principles of Economics in 1890. Definitions of economics. Thus, a political economics or economics is a study mankind of the ordinary business of the life. It is examined that the part of the individual and social action which is the most closely connected with the attainment and with the uses of the request material requisites of well-being. Thus, it is on the one side of study of wealth and another and more important side part of the study of the man. Welfare, wealth is material, but welfare is main. The important feature of the emotional definition. Economics does not treated wealth as be a all and end all of economics activity. Man promoted primarily welfare and not wealth. Welfare is man promotes a primarily first is welfare, second only is a wealth. Wealth. Wealth means one person one person improve means automatically gain more income, automatically wealth is increased, but welfare is society, each and every people. Welfare is main primarily first importance is welfare only. The science of economics contain the concern ordinary people who are moved by the love one, not merely guided or directly by the desire to get the maximum monetary benefit. Monetary means what? Monetary means money transaction. Monetary is a money transaction. Listen, student, this is a all only theoretical. Each and every person's there is explanation only. Next lesson is next only is a it's easy to read, but this lesson only some difficult only. This lesson only or each and every author's definition only explain this lesson. Next, Marshall criticism. Marshall regarded only a material things. He does not consider immaterial things such a service of the doctor, teacher, and so on. They also promote people's welfare. In the theory of wages, Marshall ignorance of the amount of the money that goes on the rewards for the service of immaterial service. The welfare means welfare, the doctor, teachers, lawyers, many of the people. Welfare means is voluntary, some organization, voluntary, some awareness functions also. Next one. Scarcity definition. Scarcity definition is Lynn Robinson published a book of an essay on the nature and significance of economic science. Lynn Robinson definition is a scarcity. Scarcity means shortage. Scarcity means shortage. According to him, the economics is a science and study the human behavior as a relationship between an end and scare means which have a alternative use. Alternative, which means alternative use. Next, the major features of Robinson definitions. The end refers to human wants. Human beings have an unlimited number of wants. Human wants is a unlimited of wants. Any one person, my life is all wants fully satisfied. Anyone? No. Human wants is a unlimited wants. On other hand, resources are means that go to satisfy the unlimited human wants or limited, scarce in a supply. The scarcity of the commodities is to be considered only relation to it is demand. Demand means the shortage of the products. Shortage of the products. Product shortage means market failed. Product shortage, automatically price will be increase. The product is increase means production is increase means automatically price level is decrease or constant. But production is nowadays production only Indian economic production is very low, the very decreasing level. The demand means each and every wants is a each and every person wants is a unlimited wants. The demand means the automatically production increase means price level will be decreased. The demand means olden days the inflation is used. Inflation means that is increasing the production or price level increasing, but money level, value of money is decrease. But nowadays price level is very high. Money value is very low. That is inflation. Inflation is olden days money value is increase, price level only decrease. Nowadays money value is decrease, price level is very high. That is inflation. Next one. Further, the scarce means are capable to having an alternative use. Hence, an individual great is wants and satisfies. First is most urgent wants. Urgent wants. Thus, the economics according to Robinson is a science of choice. The next one, the criticism. Robinson definition is so many authors criticism. First one, criticism. Robinson does not make any distinction between a goods and goods conducive to human wants, welfare, and goods that are not. In the production, rice and alcohol drinks scarce resources are used, but the production of the rice promotes human welfare while that the alcohol drinks does not. However, the Robinson concludes that economics is a neutral between end. The Robinson definition is a scarcity of the definition, but nowadays the scarcity of the definition is scarcity situation that time. Okay, students, don't waste your time. This lesson, first lesson is some difficulty. Next lesson is very easy only. This lesson full only in only definitions, the explanations and criticism. This lesson. Okay, student. Next class. Next one topic. Okay, thank you.